In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit URL to Bing. If you've just published a new page or updated important content, submitting your URL helps Bing discover it faster. So let's walk through the process clearly and confidently. First, head over to Bing Webmaster Tools and sign in. You can use a Microsoft account to access the dashboard. Once you're in, make sure your website is added and verified. Verification is Bing's way of confirming you own the site, and it typically involves placing a small verification file, adding a meta tag, or updating a DNS record. If the site is already verified, you're good to go. If not, take a moment to complete that verification so the submission tool will be available for your property. Next, from your site's dashboard, look to the left sidebar for the section labeled URL Submission. Depending on your interface, it may appear under Configure My Site. If you manage more than one website, double-check you've selected the correct property so your URLs go to the right place. Click the Submit URLs option. This opens a simple box where you can paste the full addresses of the pages you want Bing to crawl. Add one URL per line. For example, you might paste something like https example.com/page1, and then, on the next line, https:/example.com/page2. Stick to complete canonical URLs, including HTTPS, if that's how your site serves pages. Avoid shortened or redirected links. You want the final destination page. Make sure the pages return a normal 200 status, aren't blocked by robots. TXT, and don't have a noindex tag, or crawling may be delayed or skipped. When your list looks right, click Submit. Bing will queue those URLs for crawling and potential indexing. Indexing isn't guaranteed, and timing can vary. Sometimes it's quick, other times it takes longer, so be patient. You may also notice a daily or monthly limit displayed in the tool. If you hit a cap, prioritize your most important pages and try again later. Over time, you can monitor your site's performance and visibility from the same dashboard to see how Bing is discovering and understanding your content. That's it. Sign in to Bing Webmaster Tools. Ensure your site is verified. Open URL Submission. Paste the full URLs one per line, and submit. Keep your pages clean, accessible, and up to date, and you'll give Bing the best chance to find and index them efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get your content in front of the right audience.